Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the third day of the Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Whether you're looking to start a new hobby or hone your DIY skills, mastering some basic woodworking techniques is essential. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your woodworking journey. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about safety. Safety goggles, ear protection, and dust masks are your best friends in the workshop. Always wear them to protect yourself from flying debris, loud noises, and harmful dust particles.
Now that we're geared up, let's move on to our first technique: measuring and marking. Accurate measurements are crucial in woodworking. Use a measuring tape to measure your wood precisely and mark your measurements with a pencil. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Next, let's talk about cutting techniques. One of the most fundamental tools in woodworking is the handsaw. When using a handsaw, ensure your wood is securely clamped down and use slow, steady strokes. Let the saw do the work for you. For more precise cuts, you can also use a miter saw or a table saw. These power tools make cutting large pieces of wood a breeze.
Once you've mastered cutting, it's time to move on to joining techniques. One common method is the butt joint. Simply align the edges of your wood pieces and glue them together. For extra strength, you can reinforce the joint with screws or nails. Another popular joining technique is the pocket hole joint. With a pocket hole jig, you can create strong, hidden joints quickly and easily. Now that we've covered some basic techniques, let's finish off with sanding and finishing. Sanding smooths out rough edges and prepares your wood for finishing. Start with coarse grit sandpaper and gradually work your way up to finer grits for a smooth finish. Finally, apply your desired finish, whether it's paint, stain, or varnish, to protect and enhance the natural beauty of your wood.
And there you have it. With these essential woodworking techniques under your belt, you're well on your way to creating beautiful projects and unleashing your creativity.
In this video, we told you basic woodworking techniques for beginners. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series, we will learn understanding wood types and selection. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.